Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, and today I wanted to take a break from recording videos about the market and talk about what I've been doing with some private clients of mine. Now, I don't advertise private tutoring, private mentorship, whatever you want to call it, working one-on-one with other traders. I don't advertise that. I used to a long time ago, and I mean, if you come to me and we click and get along and I know that I feel that I can really help somebody, then I'm going to do it. And this person wanted to go through the TopStep program. And I'm like, I can teach you how to trade. I've never been through the program before, so I decided let me do it. And I did it. And I got this last week, I believe. Congratulations, you passed step 2 and earned your funded account. We'll contact you in the next business day regarding the next steps. So I wanted to talk about this, and I wanted to show, just because I've never tried this before and some people were coming to me wanting to go through it, and I can teach someone how to trade, but I've never been through the process, so I figured I'll go through the process so that way I can tell them, okay, well, this is how it works. So that's basically what I did. So basically, you have two phases. The first phase, you can only, so there's three different programs you can do: a 50,000, 100,000, and 150,000. So I did the 50,000 because it's the least expensive, and that's probably the one most people are going to do. So that particular one, you cannot lose over $1,000 a day, or you have to start over. You cannot lose over $1,000 in a week, or you have to start over. So let's say you lose $800 one day and $200 the next day. Well, that's $1,000 a week, and you're done. So those are two rules. This particular on step 2, your best day has to be below 40% of your total profits made. So you can see my best day was 39.2% of $3,019.10 that I made. So, and it was $1,182.90. And you can see right when I passed it, I stopped trading in this particular account for the day. And I just ended it right there. So that's basically, it's really about risk management, and that's what trading is about anyway, is risk management. Trading is about, you try to maintain as much capital as you can when you're having difficulty in the markets, so that way when the markets do open up, you have a great day. And I guess a great example is last week. I didn't do that great. I made a little bit of money, but I didn't do like phenomenally. Now this week starts, and I've done pretty well this week. So, it's really just what is going on. This week we've had 2 trading days, and I've done better in 2 days than I did last week. So, it is what it is. But I wanted to highlight this. I wanted to talk about it. I passed TopStep Trader, and yeah, it's exciting, but it is what it is. At trading, every day is, you have to be on your game. If you're not on your game, you might as well not trade. And I relate it to professional sports because, like, for example, Tom Brady, is really good quarterback. Or, insert whoever you want, Aaron Rodgers, or, NHL hockey, insert your favorite player. And most likely your favorite player is going to be one of the top 5% in that industry. So Tom Brady's top 5% in the NFL, I think. Uh, Bing Crosby, probably, or Sidney Crosby, sorry, probably one of the top 5% NHLers. Novak Djokovic, definitely top 5% in tennis professionals. I'd say top 1%. But, that's who those people are. And us as traders, we have to be one of the top 5% of traders. And being the top 5% means we work on our mindset. We work on our trading. And mostly it's going to be from a risk management and a mindset standpoint. You can learn a strategy and the strategy can be profitable. But if you don't have the right mindset and the right risk parameters, it doesn't matter what the strategy is because you're going to lose money anyway. And that is one thing that I enjoyed about the Top Step Trader program because it really focuses on risk mitigation. You can see this black line is my P&L and this red line is my drawdown. So I couldn't trade below this red line. And then $1,000 below this red line is basically, you're done. That's your starting balance basically. And this red line is your drawdown. So as this increases, this red line increases. So I cannot trade below that. It's basically $1,000 below this is this red line. So I wanted to talk about this a little bit. I wanted to share this with you. Wanted to, you know, you guys who are struggling traders, give you a little bit of hope. Let you know that it is possible. Trading is definitely possible. Technical analysis, and I know my style of technical analysis isn't like the real popular, like, let's look at a stochastic indicator and let's draw patterns on the charts and stuff. That's not what I do, but I do use technical analysis, and that's how I make a living basically. But I wanted to talk about this, wanted to share a little bit about the program, wanted to talk about mindset, risk management. Those two are so important to trading, and whether you learn that from me or someone else, you got to learn it. And to be really successful in trading, you need to be in the top 5% of all traders. And to do that, you really have to work on that mindset, work on that risk management. And, that's why in the trading course, I have a lot on risk management. I break it down very nerdy. I talk about all these numbers. I give you equations. Because if you want to nerd out on it, go ahead. I love, I'm kind of nerdy myself. I like looking at numbers. I like talking about stuff. And then in the mindset course, it's strictly mindset. Everything I can give you to give you an edge is what I do in that course. I can't really tell you how long it is, but it's, probably over 50 hours. So, but anyway, wanted to highlight this. Hopefully you got something out of today's video. If something resonated with you, throw it in the comment box. If you like the video, throw a like on it. If not, throw a dislike. And I'm glad you watched the video. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the markets. Thanks, and take care.